What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the motherfucking channel. Thank you guys so much for being here with me today. I just wanted to hop on really quick and do a fast little intro for you guys, showing you what I'm going to be using in today's video. The company Double Dip, aka BellaVina, sent me over this new little kit. Well, actually, I'm not sure if it's new. I've seen a couple other channels use it, like Long Hair Pretty Nails, Nails by Key, and it is their Magic Tip Gel Kit. So if you're familiar with the Apres Dupe method, then you're going to love this because it's so much more affordable. I've tried Kiara Sky's Apres Dupe, I've tried Gel X Apres Dupe, and I am really stoked to see how this one's going to work out compared, because it's literally like $20. I'm pretty sure you can get it on their website or on Amazon. I'll have everything linked down below. But yeah, Double Dip also sent me over one of their polygel kits. This is the Dazzling Polygel Kit. It's super cute. It's like a lot of sparkles and stuff. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using it today with the little Magic Tip Gel Kit. I have a vision in my head of what I want to do. So if it works out, I'll use the polygel kit. If not, you guys will see it in another video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you like nail content, true crime and nails, polygel, acrylic, all that good stuff, then please consider subscribing down below and join the little family. But without further ado, let's get into some nails. And if you want to chit chat, hang out with me and see what this little kit is all about, then just keep watching. Mwah. Bye. Hey friends, how's everybody doing on this Sunday? Let's get into this Magic Gel Nail Kit by BellaVina, and I'm just going to do a little quick unboxing for you guys, show you what comes inside, and you actually get quite a bit of stuff for only being $20. So that is super nice, but here's all the products. I'm first going to start out with the nail instructions. Super simple, easy, you know, right to the point. You can pause if you want to read it, but they're super helpful. Next, we're going to have the full covered nail tips, and these come in different styles. So if you order this yourself, you can actually pick what kind of nails you want. Of course, they just sent this randomly over to me, so I got the nails that I am probably never going to use. I don't really do this style, but you know, it's cool. It's there if that's what your style is. So here's everything else. I'm going to start off by showing you guys the rhinestones, and there's multiple different sizes in there. We have the 4-in-1 base coat, which I'm a huge fan of, and we'll go over that a little bit later, but the viscosity of it is really, really thick. And it's perfect for holding on your nails and for base coat. We then have a little mini file, a cuticle pusher. Well, I'm assuming it's a cuticle pusher, right? Like, this is a cuticle pusher. After that, we are going to have the UV LED nail lamp, and I love this nail lamp so much. It's 16 watt, by the way, so I was just really impressed by that. This is what it looks like. You have to plug in. It comes with a little extension to plug it in. You just need your own wall thing. And I like how the sides are open, so if you're wearing long nails, short nails, it's really easy to get your nails in there. It did a perfect cure. It didn't burn my nails or anything like that, so I'm going to be using this all the time. Here is my nails. I already did my nail prep off camera, and I'm going to be using the Ina Couture Extreme Square Full Cover Nails. Okay, so it doesn't actually say what you can actually use this for besides base coat, but I'm assuming base coat and then the extend gel. So we're going to put this inside the nails to cure it. And then I'm also assuming rhinestone glue. So that's 3 things. What would the 4th thing be? It can't be a top coat, right? I mean, I guess we're going to see, but that's just like really interesting. So base coat, rhinestone glue, extend gel, and what else? Let me know down in the comments if you know what else this is used for. So I'm doing a press dupe today, and before I put these nails on, I'm going to file all the sides and the cuticles and make sure that they're a perfect snug fit so they don't look like press-on nails. And now I'm taking that 4-in-1 and I'm using it as extend gel. I'm just going to put a little glop in the cuticle area, turn my lamp on, and then put it on. This product, like a little bit goes a long way, so I honestly didn't need that much because it's so thick. It just like spread evenly, and they just looked so good. I was just so happy and surprised. Like for $20, you get all this stuff, and the quality of the product is out of this world. Like a 16-watt nail lamp, this 4-in-1 glue, which is amazing, rhinestones nails. Like I don't know. I was just really, really impressed. These are my favorite nails at the moment from Nail Couture, the Extreme Square 123 Go nails, and I have a code which is Slay by J, and you can save 10% on all your Nail Couture items. I do earn a small commission off that. Just want to be transparent with you guys, but it really helps me, and it would mean the world if you used it. So I put too much on this pinky and it like looked a little bit crazy. But yeah, just beware. You only need a little bit if you have this stuff. And I just once again want to say I love these products so much. I 100% recommend it if you're looking into getting Apres dupe. So today I'm going to be doing Euphoria nails. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it's super popular. It's on HBO Max. And I actually don't have HBO Max, so I found this website on my phone that you can literally watch anything you want, like any movie, any series, anything. Like even if the movie is still in theaters, it's still on this website. So I will link it in the description down below if you guys haven't seen Euphoria yet and you want to watch it. But I'm doing one. So one of the most popular girls in the show, her name is Demie in real life, and the makeup artist and the nail artist on this show is just so freaking cool, you guys. Like so unique, super different, kind of funky, and I really just wanted to pay tribute to this set because I think it was so cute. I haven't seen anybody else do it yet, and so I just wanted to try it out. I'm using Makartt's Blanco gel polish, and as you can see right here, I'm using this is a Beetles nail brush, and I don't know, I just like don't really like the brushes inside of gel polishes. Like you just can't get it perfectly. It's really messy. So using one of these brushes to put on the gel polish was so easier. It was so satisfying. You didn't get like a lot of those streaks that end up happening when you use the nail brush that comes in the gel polish bottles. So I definitely recommend trying it out this way, you guys. Like I had to do probably like another coat than I would have regular had to using the brush inside of the bottle because obviously there's more product on that bottle. But I don't know, this just worked out really, really good for me, and I don't know, it's so satisfying. Like I just love, when I was watching this back, I was like, wow, this is gonna put me to sleep because it's making me so relaxed. So this part's just really easy and simple. I'm just applying white gel polish to all of the nails, and then we'll get into the nail art. Once again, this is Apres dupe method, so that means that you put on the full cover nail and then you do your decoration on top of the nail, versus doing the LazyGirl method, which you put the product inside of the nail. So it's just like opposite, basically. It's almost kind of the same as doing the traditional way, except you're not having to build up the nail because obviously the nail's already shaped for us. So this is how they look once I got all of the white polish on. Looks so cute. And I'm not really good at doing nail art, so I went ahead and put top coat on all of the nails, and then I cured that, and then I went on top with the nail art just because I knew that I was going to be kind of messy with this and I wanted to be able to erase it easy. So for my nail art, I'm using my Luxe brush wipes, again by Nail Couture. These are so good, you guys. And here is a little detailed brush by Beetles and the Noir black gel polish by Makartt. So here's a quick photo of the nails. You can see she has them on right here, and I did a practice nail at first. I know this looks really easy, like the design, like, okay, that looks super simple, but oh my gosh, it literally took me like 2 hours, 2 freaking hours, you guys, to do one hand. I am just not like, my hand is not steady when it comes to this. Like, what is my problem? I've been seeing literally everybody on YouTube do the exact same thing. Like, I'm just kind of over it. Everyone's doing the same thing, and I wanted to try something unique and different. And of course, Euphoria is like so big right now. So I was like, you know what? Let's switch it up. This isn't really a set that you would normally see on my channel, But I just love the aesthetics of Euphoria, and I don't know, just I know it's so popular. I just started watching it. I'm only on like episode 6, and I just want to say like it is not what I expected at all. Like kids should not be watching this show. Like I first put it on, my daughter was in the room and I immediately turned it off and was like, "Nope." Like, "Oh my gosh, this is literally for adults." I saw that Zendaya had to go on her Instagram when the show first came out because she has like a lot of younger followers, and she was like, PSA warning, this show is not for kids. Like, please do not watch this if you're a kid. And of course, saying that is going to make all the kids want to go see it, Like, it's just like anything when your parents, like, don't do that. It makes you want to go do it even more. But I can totally see why she had to say that because yeah, me and my boyfriend been watching it together, and he's like, "Janessa, I'm really like worried for the next generation." Like when I was in high school, like we, were had crushes on boys and like would go to parties and stuff, but Euphoria is a whole new level. Like if the kids are really doing in high school how these girls are doing in the show, like I honestly never want my daughter to go to school again. Oh my gosh, but you should definitely watch it, give it a try. I know I saw another comment saying that like one of the girls in it, her name's Sydney, there's like a lot of nudity in it. Just yeah, I want to say that there's a lot of nudity in it. There's like a lot of drugs and like addiction and just just the most, and where was I going with this? Yeah, I guess we're just letting you guys. Oh, yeah. So one of the girls, she's in high school. They're juniors in high school, and she had to get nude. And her parents started watching it, and right when they saw that, they had to turn it off. They're like, "No, we're not gonna be watching this anymore." And I was thinking to myself, because when I was little, I always wanted to be an actress. Like even to this day, I would just love to be an actress so much. Like, and I was thinking to myself, like, could I act that part? Like, could I really honestly do that? Like, these girls, they're obviously really talented, but they also have, like, a lot of guts to be able to act some of these scenes out in this show. Like, it's no joke. Let me know in the comments if you have seen Euphoria, if you're a fan, if you're not, who's your favorite character. Of course, right now, I love Jules and I love Rue. Rue is Zendaya, and she honestly deserves, I hope she gets, like, an Oscar or something for her role in this because she's literally outstanding. And she filmed Spider-Man while she was in this show too, and I'm just like, wow, like she's so good at what she does. These nails also kind of gave me Free Willy vibes. Like this video if they're giving you Free Willy vibes. But I've like the nail artist from the show, I've been like really into her work and I follow her on Instagram, and she's bringing back so many trends that were big like back in the day, especially with nails and makeup. And a lot of her stuff, like it isn't for everybody, but if you like to go out of the box and like you like to try new stuff and really have your nails be an expression of who you are, then you should definitely go and check her out and check the show out. Like I'm just always in awe with the makeup, the nails, and the clothes in this show because it makes me think like, oh my gosh, if I was in high school and this show came out, like I would definitely be influenced by these girls. And they're bringing back like the rhinestones by the eyes, like they have rhinestones all over their face and like really pale colors and super funky nails. And yeah, I think it's really cute. So this set, like, of course, it's like anything. Once I got to the ring finger right here, it was really easy for me. I just did it really fast, but dang girl, the other nails, it took me a minute to get it down. But once I did, it was really easy. And how you can see the nails now, like that's actually how Alexa Demie wore them in the show. But see right here, this is how she actually wore them in the show. They were shorter, of course, but I wanted to spice them up and add my own little Slay by J touch to them. So you already know I had to go in with some rhinestones. I'm just putting some cuticle oil right now so you can see how the original version is. And if you like that, then you would just stop right here and wear them like this. But yeah, I think this is so cute. Like I said, giving me Free Willy vibes, super weird, super, just different and really eye-catching. I got so many compliments on these. And now I'm just going in with some gems. I just did a layer of top coat and then I'm putting gems all around the little black side, and I'm using the gems that came in this kit. Like I said, there was a bunch of different sizes. Sorry, my kitty's in the background if you heard her meow. And I just went randomly in and put the sizes, no in particular order. I just wanted it to be random. So there's like tiny ones, bigger ones, medium ones. And I just think it made it look so freaking bomb. Like, oh, do you guys love these? I am loving them. Like I said, this isn't a set that you would normally see by me, but I wanted to pay tribute to Euphoria, show something a little bit different, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Be sure to like this video and subscribe if you like what you see, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye!